Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In the last lecture we studied about analysis of the truss model with the analysis of dead load and live load. Today I am going to tell you analysis of the vehicle load using a truss model. So let's open Staad Pro. Open Staad Pro. Go to new project. I'm selecting. I'm giving it a file name. Next, finish. Okay. Now, of this grid, what is geometry? Run structure wizard. Here I am telling you another model. I am selecting here a truss model, but I am taking another example. Okay. So I am taking an example of hove roof. Okay. I am selecting this one. I am selecting number of bays 4 and apply. Okay. Now transfer this model. Now the model has been transferred. So go to general, and first of all we will assign the material to it. Define rectangle, 0.2, 0.3, add 0.2, 0.3, add. Okay, sorry, 2 rectangles have been added, so delete this one. Now define a circle also, add 0.2, then add. Okay, now I am going to assign this material. Okay, so first of all assign a circle. Select beams parallel to y-axis, this vertical, assign to selected beams. Now rectangle, and select beams parallel to x-axis and select beams parallel to z-axis. Okay, now assign this. Okay, now assign the left of the portion also. Okay, so I am selecting the left portion. Okay, so this one and this one. Okay, now assign this rectangle section. Okay, assign to selected beams. Okay, now we'll assign the supports. Okay, so now go to supports, create fixed support. Now go to front view, select the nodes, assign to selected nodes. Okay, now go to isometric view. Now we'll define the vehicle load. So go to loads and definitions. First of all, before applying the vehicle load, we first have to define it. Okay, so go to definitions, double click on the definitions. Okay, go to vehicle definitions, then add. Okay, now give here load 10 kilonewton. Okay, and enter. Sorry, delete it. Sorry, delete. Vehicle define, add. Okay, here enter 10 and left is same. Okay, now here enter 10, then give it a distance of 5 meter, then enter, click on enter, then 10 kilonewton, then enter 5. Okay, now we'll add this. Okay, now add this. Now close. Okay, now go to load cases and details. Okay, now we have defined the vehicle load. Go to load cases and details, add. Okay, now add load case 1. Okay, go to load case 1, add. Sorry, load case 1. Oh, sorry, delete this. Okay, load cases details, add. Now here we have to, for the vehicle load, we have to go to the load generation here. Okay, now here we can see that we doesn't have to define it. Okay, as we have defined already. So go to load generation here. Okay, so how many number of the loads you have to generate? So here I am taking 25. Okay, So 25 number, then add it. Okay, now go to generate point to 25, generate load, then add again. Okay, again click it, add. Okay, now here select y range, then y coordinate selected 0.5. Okay, now add. Okay, now you can see the wind load, vehicle load has been applied. So now we have to check the results. Okay, so go to analysis and print, add, close, select analyze, run analysis on top menu bar. Now we are checking the errors, whether the error or not. So it shows 0 errors. Okay, now click done. Now go to post processing mode and okay. Now scroll little bit, so it may show deflection. So here it will not show any type of deflection, but it may show any displacement. Okay, so we'll check here section displacement. Okay, so section displacement showing. Okay, so our structure is safe. Okay, check the section displacement. So our structure is safe. Okay, so here I have tried to define an analysis on the vehicle load by giving an example of the simple truss model of a hove roof. And the next of our future lectures, we are going to study about wind load. So that's all for today. If you have any doubt, then please comment on the comment box, and do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for the latest updates.